So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to create a service in an app engine, which is very easy, so that you have multiple services under app engine. So I just recommend you have a little bit of more in-depth understanding of app engine from my courses, from my videos and what I say, and some now and then I say some stuff which is very useful for you. So what you do is you learn that, and then you learn more about it from the exam point of view. I will also give some samples in the end of all my playlist so that you have some stuff to revise. So now all you have to do is, for example, in this case, in this app.yaml we have nothing, but in the my first service, just close this app.myfirstservice, you have a service. So this is how you create a service on your own, which is in the app.yaml. You specify the service name, more like initialization. Here you don't do anything, which is a default service. Here you don't specify anything, but here, if you can see, you specify a service and then you deploy so that the service will be built in the name. For example, now you have to go into the CD and you have to go into my tab. Yes, perfect. With the ls, now you have it. Now what you're going to do is you're going to do gcloud app deploy, then enter. Then it might take a couple of times to give as. So in the meantime, what I want you to know is that once you create the service, it's the same process for every, like before. You can, Google Cloud app browse, and then you see the version of the service. I'm pretty sure you can see this here as well, and you can also create it here as well. For example, you go here, just give it a couple of times because it's creating. It's working on. So once this is done, you'll be able to see it here, the service, 3 versions. Okay, let's just wait for a couple of minutes and come back. So it's done. Now if you just click on this, if you want to show you what that is, the main part is nothing but my service, just same from there. It's just my default service, and here I have given my first service, which is nothing. So same stuff to make you understand. So you just copy, paste, close, and enter. My first service. So it's very simple. And now if you just refresh, you can see 2 services with the versions available. Obviously the versions will be available here, so we'll just 3. So this one, and all the traffic obviously is going there. Then you come back and you can browse. It was the same like before. If you're directly here, if you don't know the code, I'm just going to show you. If you just want to go and browse something, but finding the particular URLs for particular stuff, just browse. You can also give -fm service, if in the case of our service is equal to, for example, my first service. Okay, so this is the link to my first service. So you can paste this. It will be the same as this. And if you're working on a couple of versions which you want to see, you can also do that by just changing it service into version and then specifying the necessary version. So that's how you create a service in App Engine. I hope this was helpful. Catch you in the next one.